Hey friends, if you wish to install the Synaptics Touchpad driver on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to install it. So search for it in the search bar and then go to the Synaptics website to download the drivers, or you can download it from a third-party website like TechSpot. I usually use third-party websites. Simply click on download now, select the Windows version, okay, and don't download Opera along with it. We only need the Synaptics driver, and then click here, okay, and then click on open for the cap files, and it will open the cap files here, and then you can double click on the setup page, setup file. Okay, this is how you can install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.